how to install WhatsApp application on your Android device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Play Store on your device. Click on the search button which is at the bottom of your screen. Now, on the search bar type in WhatsApp and click on search. Here you will see an icon like this. Tap on it and click on install button. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on open to use the application. You can also find the application on your app drawer. So that is how you can download and install WhatsApp application on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.